Hi, today video I talk about ETCD backup and restore. First, we can see what is ETCD. ETCD is going to help to store the data in the Kubernetes cluster. It is like data storage, and here we can take the snapshot of the ETCD, that is the backup, and you can use the snapshot to restore that ETCD backup to the another folder. First, I open my Kubernetes official documentation. So here you can see this is the page how to do the backup and the restore. Let's see, here you have mentioned the ETCD is the consistent and highly available key value store. That means it can store the backup value, what are happening in the Kubernetes cluster, that all data will be stored in this ETCD. And let's see how to do the backup and restore. Scroll down, here you can see backup and ETCD cluster. So this is the commands that helps to do take the snapshot of the ETCD, and here I used the killer shell. This is already Kubernetes installed here. I copy. First we will check where the default ETCD storage will occur. Let's type this command ls var lib. Yeah, here you can see the mentioned ETCD. Let's check ETCD, and here you can see this number. It means the data will be stored in this place, ETCD. We can change this place to another place. Let's see how to do it. First I move to the documentation. I copy this command. First we can see first we can briefly describe the pods in the ETCD. Let's see how to do it. kubectl get pod, then enter the namespace. This is kube system. Here you can see there are lots of pods here. There is the ETCD control plane. Here I copy this and type kubectl describe pod, and then enter the pod name here, and here we mention the namespace kube system. So here you can see this allows the file here. I paste this command. I paste here, and first we can mention the ETCD API which tree and ETCD endpoints. Here we can mention the endpoints. Here move and check the endpoint. This is a listen client URL HTTP. This is the endpoint. The endpoints are correct, so here I leave this, and then we can enter the CA certificate path. Let's see how to do it, and enter. Here we can enter the CA certificate path, and we move CA certificates. Yeah, this is the path of CA certificate. I copy this and paste here. Then enter the C certificates. Here I enter certificates. Let's enter the path here. This is the certificate path: ETCD Kubernetes PKI ETCD server.e. I paste this and enter, and key. Key is the, let's see, I copy this. So this is the key file. This is a key file, etcd kubernetes server.key. I copy this. First mention key and I paste here. And I paste here hyphen crt key. Yeah, then copy this snapshot. I paste here. Then here I will mention the path where we can store our snapshot. Here I type opt and here I will mention the snapshot.tv. This is all value are given. Check once again CRT certificate and key, then snapshot save, then it is the place where we can save the snapshot, then enter. So you got the response, the snapshot saved at snapshot.d. Let's check this. Less. So you can see the snapshot state saved here. Let's see how to do the restore from these snapshots. I move to the documentation and here I copy this command and paste here. Here we can change the path of restore path slash opt slash. Yeah, this is correct. And then here we can enter the where we can store our restore data. Here we can save this at this folder where lib because defaultly that etcd store the backup in this folder where lib and etcd. Now here I give the name etcd hyphen backup. So here I give this is the name, then enter. So here you got some response. So let's check this. ls var lib. So here you can see etcd backup here added. Then inspect this folder etcd backup. etcd hyphen backup, enter. So you can see the member, that means that backup will be restored from that snapshot to this folder. Then here we can move to the etcd YAML file, then change the host path and give the host path to etcd backup. Okay, here I move to kubectl get pod -n and then here we enter the kube system, then enter. So let's move to this and kubectl describe pod and paste here. Yeah, then enter the namespace cube system. So we can add in this path. Let's see how to do it. kubectl describe pod, change to edit the pod. Edit pod. So scroll above. So this is the pod placed here, and here we can change the host path. Yeah, here we can change this. The host path changed to where lib. ETCD is the default storage. Now we can change to ETCD backup. Okay, let's press I. Type ETCD backup. So let's enter here and leave this host path, and because this and this mount also same, so we no need to worry about this. Just changes here. Because this will connect only with the names ETCD data and ETCD data. So here now we save this file. Okay, I copy this and let's type kubectl replace -force -f and then enter that YAML file. Enter. Now you got response. The pod will be deleted and it will again recreated, because this command helps to delete and recreate the pod. Let's check this. kubectl get pod -n cube system. Let's, you can see the pod is running. It started 55 seconds ago. So now the ETCD control plane will store the backup in ETCD backup, not in the ETCD. Where ls var lib and ETCD backup. Let's check and check. So this is the way to create the snapshot and restore from that snapshot. Thank you.